Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be preparing Jamaican turncornmeal in my kitchen. Fast, easy and simple. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So here is a list of few of the ingredients that I will be using for this recipe. I have my pack cornmeal. Ensure that you are using refined cornmeal. This way your turncornmeal will be smooth and not dry. I also have a cup of coconut milk. You can use a canned coconut milk, you can use a fresh coconut milk, whichever one pleases you. I also have a cup of mixed vegetables. It is completely optional, but I do like it in mine. I also have a tablespoon of dry thyme leaves, and I also have a few pimento seeds. I will also be using 2 tablespoons of butter. You can also use margarine. I will be using some salt and black pepper also. Let's get right into the video. In the pot, I have 2 cups of water. I will be adding 1 cup of coconut milk. So as you know, turncornmeal, you have to add enough liquid, but if you over add the liquid, it will become spoiled. So I love my turncornmeal on the softer side, but if you don't like yours that moist, then you can reduce the liquid. So after I add all the liquid, I am going to be adding salt to my taste. So you always add the salt to your taste. I'm also going to add a little black pepper, like a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, which is completely optional. I'm also going to be adding my mixed vegetables. As I said earlier, it's optional. So guys, based on what I use in my turncornmeal, if you use different ingredients, no problem. Remember, it's your kitchen. So after I add the ingredients, I'm just giving them a stir. Afterwards, I am going to cover the pot and let them come to a rapid boil. But before I do so, I'm going to be adding my butter. Also, I am going to add my dry thyme leaves and my pimento seeds. So if you're enjoying my content and you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and turn on your post notification bell so you will be first to be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. I also will be adding a few scallion, maybe like a tablespoon of scallion. I don't really love a lot of seasoning in my turncornmeal. It do add some flavor to it though, so that's why I added it. So I'm just gonna cover the pot, let it come to a rapid boil. So it's going to boil for about 10 minutes just to bring out the flavors together, and then I return. But ensure that you stay close by, because remember, coconut milk, it easily boil over on the stove. So you don't want to turn up your flame too high either, because you don't want to boil out the liquid. So just put it on like a medium low flame and let it boil for about 10 minutes, as I said earlier. So after 10 minutes, this is how it looks. So I am going to gradually add my cornmeal. I will not be adding the whole pack because I'm not making a lot. I'm only making my turncornmeal for 2 persons. So you use the amount of cornmeal to your liking. If you'll be using the whole pack, then you would have to add more liquid. So as you add your cornmeal, ensure that you stir it well. So I may add more liquid, but you have to add all the cornmeal first that you plan to use, and then you will check to see if it's too dry. If it's too dry, then you add a little more water, or if you want to add more coconut milk, you can add it as well. For me guys, I love my turncornmeal to have a creamy mashed potato texture. So I'm going to be adding a little bit more water to it. It needs more moisture to me, but you can always leave yours like this. Nothing is wrong with it, but it's not going to have that mashed potato texture that I love. So I'm going to add maybe like a 1/4 cup more water. because you don't want to add more water than that. You don't want to spoil it, alright? So, when you add the water, just give it a good stir, and then you're going to cover the pot. And, let your cornmeal cook for like 15 minutes. But ensure that you put it on a very low flame because turncornmeal likes to stick to the pot. Also, turncornmeal, as it cooks, it will swell. That's the nature of cornmeal. So ensure that you use a big size pot to prepare your turncornmeal in. So at this point, I'm just going to lower the flame, and then I'm going to let it cook for about 15 minutes, as I said earlier, 15 to 20 minutes. So my turncornmeal is all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Also click the subscribe button if you're new. As you can see, guys, it has creamy mashed potato texture, and this is how I love it. I don't like it to be dry. Once it's dry, I don't want it. As it cools, it will get firmer, but still gonna have that soft texture that I love. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give me a thumbs up. Share the video, guys. I do appreciate. See you next time. Bye.